Right, here we go then. Sorry to bombard you, but obviously tomorrow I'm going to be flat out on site. So I wanted to do a couple of quick videos tonight. So we move over to the Milwaukee skill saw, basically the FCS 55-2, if you want to purchase one. The weight difference, if you bear with me 2 seconds, I'll just grab my old trusty Makita and just show you the weight difference. It's more size more than anything. The difference, I would say, between the two is there's nothing wrong with this saw. It's been a fantastic servant. I mean, I've had it for 5 years. It's the brushless BL motor Makita. There's nothing wrong with it. I chose this one. It takes a bit more of a bashing, but obviously it's just, you know, new kit, new tools, different batteries. I mean, to be fair, it would eat the batteries, but then it all depends on if you've got a sharp blade. So it's all about being savvy with your battery tools. They're not connected to a lead, so it's just interesting to see. Now I've moved over to Milwaukee, what this is going to be like. So this is a brand new, fresh cut, brand new blade. I've never used this saw before. I'm going to go down some 18mm Mr. MDF and see how she cuts. Wow. Yeah, impressed. Yes, better extraction. Yes, I haven't got my extractor on, but yes, that's going to be different. What I like about it is the weight is where you want it, and it's not sort of pulling towards you. Also, Milwaukee, think about, if you see my other videos, if you follow me, you will know that Makita's guides are pants. So I always used to add extra timber to mine. I mean, that is proper metal. So it's going to be a lot stronger for those cuts, for getting those straight edges. I mean, yeah, this is a beast to what I'm used to. You know, the sound. Yeah, the sound. It's interesting how they've got the torch as well. Torches, I used to find this used to clog up, but it is in the same place. There's no difference. Obviously, the difference is it's still a 165mm cut, maximum depth of 57mm. There's no difference in that. I would say it's just down to the weight distribution, really. That seems to be more weight distribution on the material, if that makes sense, than the Makita. The Makita's very top heavy, and I used to find it used to sort of give me a bit of a wobble sometimes. But you know, there's nothing wrong with it. Makita's great, Milwaukee's great. I'm just transitioning from blue to red. So let me know what you think in the comments, and go and grab yourself one. Data Power Tools in Cardiff and Bridgend, a fantastic family run business. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Please subscribe, and if you want to go a bit further, become a member and follow me on my journey. Don't forget, we've got some cool merchandise. Thanks for watching, guys.